After a customer selects a pre-decorated product, they are taken to the pre-decorated product page. Now, to access this page and edit it, come into Pages, and towards the bottom we have our System Pages. Within Product, we can click on the View Pre-Decorated Product page. Now, this page edits a lot like the View Blank Product page. So if I click on the widget, which can only be used on this one page, and thus why it's very important to get it right, because every pre-decorated product uses these same layout settings. So I could choose where this image is displayed, how large it is, where these thumbnail images are, how large they are. If I want to show custom fields, show the custom field description, what I want the add to cart button to be called, if I want to show the full product description down here, or where I even want it to be displayed. So when we have a pre-decorated product, we actually have two descriptions. We have the blank product description and we have the pre-decorated product description. So I can choose to display the two of them together if I put them in the same section, or maybe I have the pre-decorated product information here and the blank product information down towards the bottom. I can choose to show the where I want to show the name, if I want it at the very top of the page or over here in the Properties panel. So anything above the colors is essentially considered the Properties panel, where we can often show the product code, the brand. I could choose where I want the sizing information. Right now we have it down here. Same with the shipping information, discounts, and then again the product description. You have the pre-decorated, which will put in the extra details, and then the blank product will also put in the extra details down here. And then related products, maybe we put that in the extra details. So the extra details at the moment are being displayed in blocks. You can also display them as blocks, which is just going to be continuous, or you can choose to display them as tabs right here. Now, right now you see we have the ability to add to cart and customize the design. The Customize Design button will only be shown if the pre-decorated product was configured to allow customization. That allows the customer to click on Customize Design and then launch the design tool to further customize it. Also remember, because this is the pre-decorated product page, any personalization, so any swapping of designs or changing the color scheme of the designs if it's a vector, or editing text like a name and a number, can be done on this page if you've configured that design element or text to be personalizable when you created the pre-decorated product. So again, how I got here: Pages, View Pre-Decorated Product, click on the widget itself, and you configure the settings. If you have any questions on how to configure the pre-decorated product page, come up to the very top where you can search our mini help articles, or click on the question mark where you can raise a support ticket with client services, who's there to answer questions and help you work through problems whenever you're having them. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.